Hey guys, today we're going to be trying Nestle Toll House vegan chocolate chips, including white chocolate. So yeah, that's happening right now. Let's get into it. Welcome to Vlogmas. If you clicked on the video to see the Veestro review, click this timestamp right here and it will take you right to it. So last night, I made chocolate cookie dough with white chocolate chips using these white chocolate chips from Nestle Toll House. Nutrition facts and ingredients. I made these with a couple tweaks to our cookie recipe, which is on page of our cookbook. Buy it, try it. By the way, our bundle is not going to be available for much longer, so make sure you grab yourself a copy. So I actually put the cookie dough to chill overnight. Let's get these cookies in the oven. Hey, what are you doing?
What you cooking up here? What I think is cool about all their products is that they're free from peanuts, tree nuts, egg, milk, wheat, soy, fish, and shellfish. Fish and shellfish. We found these at Walmart, and actually, let me share a quick haul of what else we got from Walmart. I'll set you guys up right here. Hey Rocky, are you coming to put these cookies in?
Put them in 12 minutes.
New mason jars, stainless steel straws, a new cookie jar. We actually got this yesterday. We tried to order more today, but they didn't have any in stock. It's the Starbucks non-dairy caramel creamer. It's honestly so good. Probably one of the best creamers I've ever tried. You guys need to try it out. They have it in hazelnut too, so make sure you guys subscribe, because once we get our hands on those, we're definitely doing a taste test. So give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to wait for that video.
While those are in the oven, I'm going to be making pancakes with semi-sweet morsels. As far as their vegan dark chocolate morsels, we'll be reviewing these in another video. So hit the subscribe button and set your notifications so you know when it goes live. Let's get started on some chocolate chip pancakes. Yep, this is what the semi-sweet morsels look like.
Alright, so I gotta go put the breakfast sausages in. Let's go do that right now.
Alright, let's flip the first pancake.
Woo! Woo! Look at that. Oh my god. They look beautiful. Ooh, that recipe, boy. I tell you, Chris, that recipe, you did it again.
Get that cookbook.
Woo! Wesley, how is it? It's good? See ya. All done. Your thing is empty. How is it, Winston? It's good? Mmm. Look at you tearing it up. You like it? Mm-hmm. All right, Mookie, what's the verdict, man?
So I've already finished like half my pancake already because I just couldn't wait.
And your verdict?
These chocolate chips are really good in pancakes. And they go good with sausage too.
Yeah, they're amazing. Yeah, I love the morsels.
What would you say is better, this or Enjoy Life?
I think I'd have to say this because these are much bigger and richer.
They are. The morsels are a little bit bigger. Okay.
So I think I'd have to give it a 5.
Oh, 5. Okay. Karina, how is it? Carmi, what's your verdict? Scale of 1 to 5.
5.
5. 4 5s. All right.
Thanks to everyone who ordered our cookbook right after our first Vlogmas video. We were so excited about all the orders that we asked our parents if we could give you guys a discount. So yeah, all our Vlogmish viewers, all you have to do is enter code VLOGMISH at thisinfinitebite.com and you'll save even more money on our cookbook bundle. Alright guys, this is the first time we're doing a review on our own, so yeah, this is crazy. Veestro is a gourmet, plant-based, home delivery service that offers gluten-free, soy-free, kosher, nut-free, high-protein, and low-calorie meals. If you have a special dietary preference, they've got you covered. Don't forget to use code INFINITE20 to save $20 on your first 4 boxes.
Alright, let's get to the first thing.
Barbecue chicken pizza. Pizza time.
Ready? Well, not the concept, I guess.
Roll with it.
Not bad.
Tastes like the Gardein chicken cutlet.
The texture is not like any pizza I've ever tasted. It tastes like tofu. Like if I had tofu eggs or something and put it on a pizza, that's what it tastes like. But like a little extra cheesy. It tastes a little bit like Parmesan cheese. I would rate this pizza a 3 because the texture is really weird. It's not the best pizza I've ever tasted, but it's still a really good pizza. It has good flavoring on it, but it's not my favorite pizza.
4, it tastes amazing, but 1 point off because it's not that much like pizza.
It tastes more like a breakfast burrito. That's what it tastes like. It tastes more like a breakfast burrito.
I didn't think about that.
Yeah, most of the pizza was cheese and dough. There wasn't a lot of sauce on it. But it's still a really good pizza though.
Would you get it again?
I would definitely get that thing again.
I think I would get that again.
Okay.
Chicken nuggets. It tastes way more like fish sticks than chicken.
Yes. Doesn't have much of a chicken flavor to it. Yeah, the chicken texture and stuff like that, and the breading's good, but tastes more like fish sticks.
4.
I'll give it a 4 because this tastes like it would be a good snack or something, or like a nice side dish, not like chicken nuggets. It has the texture and breading like chicken nuggets.
I love the breading. So you got the breading, you got the ingredients. You just need to use the right seasonings, and then there you go. Home run. Maybe if they added like a chicken broth, that would really flavor it up. To like season it in a chicken broth or cook it in a chicken broth, that would really do the trick.
All right, let's move on to the next dish.
Chicken shawarma.
What do you think chicken shawarma is?
Like jerk chicken, from what I've tasted. I think it's like a really spicy dish.
It looks a little bit like curry chicken or something.
Yeah, chicken and jerk seasoning.
It smells like jerk seasoning.
Smells like potato.
Yeah, it smells like potato now that I think about it.
Right? Not sure if this is the seasoning, but I guess that's tahini. I haven't had tahini in a while, so.
That's nothing like I expected at all. Did I know Bazorias? That tastes a little bit like their fries, except with a chicken texture a little bit.
Yeah.
Stealing some myself.
I think I would give that a 4 because they got the chicken texture down. It just doesn't taste that much like chicken though.
Yeah, this rice, is there cauliflower in this?
I think it's a cauliflower rice. I don't actually see any rice grains in there. It's a mixture of lentils, cauliflower, and seasonings.
Well seasoned. Very well seasoned.
Yeah, I can definitely taste the turmeric.
Boys know their seasonings. Would you order it again?
I'm not sure.
I don't think so.
It's good, but not order again good.
Alright, so you might notice a slight change.
Because we had to change the camera battery, so the lighting might be a little different, but let's get to the next and last plate.
Turkish meatballs. Ooh, I'm just gonna have half of this. That's great. It's always great. Tastes like impossible.
I think it is impossible.
Good job, guys.
Tastes
It's like
amazing.
impossible. That's interesting. It tastes a little bit like quinoa. Tastes like quinoa, but like smaller and a different flavor, but like a little similar to quinoa. The squash.
Yeah.
I'm not a huge squash fan, so.
How is it?
Tastes like tea.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like.
Pretty
Tastes
good.
like unsweetened tea.
Yeah.
I'll give this whole dish together 3.5.
Yeah, 3.
I don't think I would order this again. I like the meatballs, but I wouldn't really order this again. I'll give the whole meatball dish like a 3. And the rest of it, I don't like how the squash tastes like a tea packet, so I give that a half. What's this called again?
The couscous.
The couscous. It just tastes like quinoa. And
You're not a huge fan.
I don't really care for quinoa that much.
Alright,
Back to the vlog.
Y'all like it? Can you taste the white chocolate chips? All right. Oh, let me see. Let me get a look. Ooh, that looks good. Nope.
It's almost like both a brownie and cake.
Yeah, it looks like a brownie.
Tastes like chocolate cake.
All right, so let me get some verdicts.
I give this 4 stars.
I give this
Well,
6.
We give it a 6. Yeah, why not 5?
I don't really like the taste of the white chocolate that much.
Okay, but you like the cookie?
Yeah, the cookie, it's pretty good.
Oh, okay. Did you taste it by itself?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. What about you, Karina?
17.
A 17. So would you rather us make the cookies like this from now on instead of the regular chocolate chip cookies?
Like this.
Or like this? Okay. What about you, Wesley? What'd you say? It's good?
Yeah.
You liked it a lot?
Yes.
Okay. You too? You liked it a lot?
Nah.
Yeah. What's your rating, Rocky?
I used to be like a real white chocolate fan when I was younger,
Uh-huh.
especially on Halloween.
Yeah. So what's your verdict now?
I don't know about them, but I actually love this white chocolate.
Now, would you rather? You give it 100. Okay.
I give it 10 million.
10 million. Oh, there's a competition now. A rating competition.
The reason I don't like the white chocolate that much is because it tastes more like regular chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit waxy.
Yeah.
But I think it's pretty close to white chocolate. So I'll try a different company's white chocolate to see who can make the best white chocolate.
I hear you.
But other than that, it's 4 stars.
And what would you say, Rocky?
I'm gonna have to give it a 5 because the fact that they can have this non-soy, non-dairy, no weird fish stuff, it's
Yeah.
amazing.
All right.
Whatever you're doing, keep doing it.
All right. Guys, you heard it here from the Infinite Kids. Brown, yeah, it does taste like brownies. I liked it a lot. Guys, let's close out the video. All right, don't forget to
Right.
comment, subscribe, share, and as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk and zip up your coat.